Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to cast off or bind off from a loom knitting. So this is my last row. I will first finish knitting my last row. Then I will continue to show you um, how to bind off. So I'm done knitting my last row. So you can take extra yarn for almost 1.5 size of the loom loom frame. That would be great. So I'm taking 1.25. So then cut it off. Then you need a needle. Take a needle, and then starting with your first peg, pick one loop, the first loop, and then pull it up. So then the second loop, and make the loop free. Then the next one, and the next one. So I'll continue doing this for all the pegs. This is a 41 pegs loom, and then I'll come back and show you the ending. I'm almost done with the freeing the pegs. So there are several other ways to cast off, but this is the easiest way, so it's best for the beginners. This is your last peg. Yeah. So now you need to pull the yarn and go to the wrong side of your project. This one is an adult hat, so go the wrong side of your hat or whatever project you're making. Then pull the yarn and in this way close the hole on the top of the hat and make it tight as possible. Make a slip knot here at first. It will make the hat better. I'm just making another slip knot just to make it sure. So it's secure now with the 2 slip knots, and now you can weave a little bit to make it stronger. And then I'm going to make another slip knot to secure the top of the hat. And one more. So it's secured, and now I will weave a little bit to hide the end of my yarn. So now it is nice and tight and closed, and you can see the now nice output of the hat. So this is how you can cast off your round loom knitting. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Have a good day.